Hey there, Alistair again from starting a new Shopify e-commerce store from scratch. So in the last video, we sign up for Shopify, and once we've done that, it brings us to this page where you've got to just ask 2 basic questions and get started. So all you've got to answer is, are you really selling, and what is your current revenue? So let's go ahead and answer those quick. As you can see, I've just chosen there, I'm not selling products yet, but we are going to find something from a website called AliExpress to dropship. So let's go and answer here. Do you have something to sell? Let's go and pick a solution and answer here. I'm still brainstorming on ideas of what to sell because we still haven't got a complete picture of what we want. We are still going to do some market research within AliExpress to find the exact product we want to sell. So let's go and answer the next question. What is your current revenue? Right now it's 0 because we haven't set up our store yet, right? That last question you can leave because we are not setting it up for a client, we're setting it up for ourselves. Just click next. And in this page, you're just going to fill in your personal details. I'm just going to put in any junk, but you should put in your details. Okay, once you've entered your details, just click on Enter My Store. And that is where we're going to stop for this video. As I've said, we're doing short, small sections so that you can take 2 or 3 sections per day, take action, do what we're showing you, and you should be good to go. And within a couple of hours, or maybe over the course of 2 or 3 days, you can have your own business set up in Shopify. Check the link in the description below. Sign up for your 14-day trial, and let's get your business built. See you in the next video.